Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking your phone and confirming WhatsApp is up to date. This avoids missing UI options. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots Android or Settings tab iPhone. You need to reach Account then Privacy to find the screen lock or Passkey control. Make sure you can authenticate with your device passcode or biometrics when prompted, because disabling the Passkey requires confirmation from the system to protect your account. You now go into Privacy and locate Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock. This is where WhatsApp keeps its Passkey settings separate from system credentials. Toggle the lock off and then authenticate with your device PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint. This step proves it's really you. After authentication, WhatsApp updates the setting and clears the internal requirement to unlock the app. If you use multiple devices, make sure each app instance has the same setting changed. Finish by closing WhatsApp fully and reopening to confirm the Passkey is gone. This verifies the change took effect. If you still see a lock, reboot the phone and repeat the toggle. Temporary system glitches can block settings. As a last resort, back up your chats, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then restore the backup. That clears persistent state issues. If problems persist, check device-level biometrics or security profiles, which may enforce app locks and adjust them accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.